So from the best team right now to arguably the best team, period, taking on a Red Sox team with Chris Sale making his second start of the season. Remember, he had the fractured rib. Well, now we got something else. Top of the first, Yankees already up 2-0. That's Aaron Hicks, and that ball went so fast back to Sale. It deflected off of him. Score one, but it's the pinky. You can see it. He knew it immediately. That went off Hicks' bat at 106 miles an hour. Sale knew it was broken. Everyone else knew it was broken too.
I knew it. I knew like immediately that feeling of just kind of cold water rushing through your body when something like that happens. As soon as I hit the ground, I looked down, fingers gone. Sucks. What are you gonna do?
I mean, obviously not actually gone. It's just bent in a way that it's not supposed to. Okay, so this is kind of a cool moment. Back on June 22nd, Derek Jeter tweeted out that Jeter Downs, they'd met, and he was like, look, congratulations, you just got called up. Good luck, unless, of course, you're playing against the Yankees. Well, here we go. Downs at the plate, top of the third, runner on first, one out. Bring him home. Off Garrett Cole, no less. First career home run. And it was caught. Did you see who caught it? It was caught by a Red Sox fan in the sea of Yankees fans. Meanwhile, back in the dugout, Downs is getting the absolute silent treatment. No one's talking to him until let's just mob him after a few seconds of silence. Red Sox down 3-2. Bottom of the fourth, Yankees now up 4-2. It's Aaron Judge at the plate. It's not gone, but it was 4-2. This makes it 5-2. Base hit to left, bringing another run. That's a 70th RBI of the season, by the way. The most by a Yankee before the All-Star break since A-Rod back in 2010. Now it's Matt Carpenter bringing in not run, but 2 runs. It's now Yankees in front 7-2. Still in the fourth. It's 9-2. Tim LeCastro, his second home run of this season. The Yankees put up 7 in just the fourth inning, and they took an 11-2 lead. Meanwhile, I mentioned his name before. Yes, he gave up the home run to Jeter, but Garrett Cole was good. JD Martinez went down looking. Got Rafael Devers on the fastball. 7 innings, struck out 12. The Yankees beat the Red Sox yesterday by 13. Today, they'll settle for just 11. 13-2 your final.